In today's video, I want to share with you 3 epic sandwiches you can pack for school. If you're a teen and you love toppings on your pizza, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Laura, and if this is your first time here, welcome. On this channel, I share lots of lunch ideas with the tips on how to pack them and keep them fresh until lunch. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button with the bell so you'll be the first to know when a new video is released every single week. Up first is this cheesy grilled pepperoni sandwich. It tastes just like pizza on a sandwich. I'm going to spread a little bit of butter on the outer side of my bread, that's for grilling, and then I'm gonna spread a thin layer of mayo. I'm gonna place some sliced mozzarella over the top and some large pepperoni slices. Instead of pizza sauce, I'm using fresh tomato in this sandwich, and I'm going to grill the outside of the sandwich about a minute or so per side, and then I'm gonna flip it over to give our sandwich that crispy golden texture that we love. As you can see, I'm placing a lid on it just to melt the cheese for about a minute, and we're gonna remove it from the pan and slice it in half, and we have this epic cheesy grilled sandwich that's oh so good. Once it's cooled down to room temperature, about 5 minutes, I'm gonna place it in the lunchbox. It won't be hot, but it'll still have a crispy texture that we like. Sandwich number 2 is that caprese salad, but on a sandwich. I'm making this caprese sandwich on a French baguette, but use any bread that you like. I like using this because I can drizzle some olive oil and add nice thick tomato slices as well as some fresh mozzarella, which I'm going to layer right here, then top with my tomato slices. And just like a caprese salad, we want to add some fresh basil. And for even more flavor, I'm going to spread some pesto sauce over the top and drizzle some balsamic vinegar. This is everything that you love on a caprese salad, but now it's handheld and for lunch. Another epic lunch idea is a grilled pesto chicken sandwich. First, let's spread some pesto sauce on both sides of the bread. Let's put some sliced mozzarella on one side, and on the other, I'm gonna place a already grilled and cooked chicken breast. We're going to close the sandwich and, of course, lightly butter both sides of the bread so we can get that golden crust when we grill it. And I simply place it on a hot pan. We're gonna grill this sandwich about a minute per side until it's nice and golden crispy on the outside and that cheese has melted, and then we remove it onto our cutting board and slice it in half. Check it out how good it looks. Weren't those sandwiches epic? Let me know in the comments which one you're gonna make first, and remember to check the description box for the recipes and more ideas. See you on the next video.